Clinical input, involvement and professional engagement is something that comes up regularly. I've heard from a number of clinicians who aren't convinced about NHS Pathways because it is an IT system and only a very small number of clinicians have been involved in the development and maintenance of clinical content. After all, this is people's lives and health and well-being we are talking about. How can you rely on a computer program to tell someone what is the best course of action for them? Well, the short answer would be you can't. NHS Pathways is indeed a computer program, a very sophisticated one at that, but it is the clinical content of that program that is the key to NHS Pathways. This content is the sum total experience and knowledge of a large group of highly experienced NHS clinicians with a strong track record in GP out of hours, urgent care delivery and telephone triage. It is this content which the Pathways software draws upon to determine the best course of action for a patient. NHS Pathways is also governed by an independent group known as the National Clinical Governance Group. This is chaired by the Royal College of General Practitioners and has representation from the BMA, College of Emergency Medicine, Royal College of Nurses and many other professional bodies, as well as Royal Colleges with an interest or involvement in the delivery of urgent and emergency care. NHS Pathways has also been independently evaluated by the Universities of Sheffield, Southampton and Swansea, who concluded NHS Pathways to be at least as safe and effective as comparable systems. In the National Audit Office review of ambulance services in 2011, their report supported the use of NHS Pathways as a way to make substantial savings and improve efficiency in ambulance services. So we have our bases very well covered, and I hope this helps reassure the NHS that NHS Pathways is a tool that has clinical backing, is governed appropriately and has been independently evaluated and reviewed.